Hello students, to see the next point of chapter 2nd, first we will revise some definitions of chapter 1st which are important in the next point of chapter 2nd. We have seen the definition of congruence class of modulo n. For A belongs to Z, this set A bar equal to the set of X belongs to Z such that X is congruent to A modulo n is called as congruence class of a modulo n. It is also called as residue class of a modulo n. Also, we have seen some results. First, GCD of AB equal to 1, the numbers A and B are relatively prime. Next, for any non-zero integers A and B, there exist integers x and y such that GCD of AB equal to A into x plus B into y. Now, come to the next point of chapter number 2nd, set of residue classes modulo n. We have studied the relation congruence modulo n, which is an equivalence relation. There are exactly n distinct equivalence classes called as residue classes modulo n. These are 0 bar, 1 bar and so on n minus 1 bar. We denote the set of all residue classes modulo n by Zn. Zn is the set of 0 bar, 1 bar up to the n minus 1 bar. We define binary operation addition and multiplication on Zn as follows: A bar plus B bar equal to A plus B whole bar and A bar into B bar equal to A into B whole bar. Now see the example of Zn. Consider, for example, consider the set Z6. Z6 is the set of 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar, because Zn equal to 0 bar, 1 bar up to the n minus 1 bar. Here n equal to 6 means Z6 equal to 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar and 5 bar. Then by addition modulo 6, then by the addition modulo 6, we have, when we add number of Z6, we get 0 bar plus 5 bar equal to 5 bar, 1 bar plus 5 bar equal to 6 bar, but here the number we see in modulo 6, therefore 6 bar is congruent to something modulo 6 equal to 0. Or for your understanding, consider 6 by 6 bar, we get 6 into 1, 6, 0 bar. Remainder here 0 bar, that's why here we take 0 bar. Means 1 bar plus 5 bar equal to 6 bar, which is equal to 0 bar. Similarly, 3 bar plus 4 bar equal to 7 bar. 7 bar under modulo 6 we get 1 bar. How? 6 bar, 7 bar. We get here remainder 1 bar, means 7 bar equal to 1 bar under modulo 6. Now the composition table for addition and multiplication, in Z6 are: first, write the numbers of the set Z6 in row wise, similarly column wise: 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar. Here 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar under modulo 6 addition table. First, 0 bar plus 0 bar, 0 bar, 0 bar plus 1 bar, 1 bar, 0 bar plus 2 bar, 2 bar, 0 bar plus 3 bar, 3 bar, 0 bar plus 4 bar, 4 bar, similarly 5 bar. 1 bar plus 0 bar, 1 bar, 1 bar plus 1 bar, 2 bar, 1 plus 2, 3 bar, 1 bar plus 3 bar, 4 bar, 1 bar plus 4 bar, 5 bar, 1 bar plus 5 bar, 6 bar. But here 6 bar is equal to 0 bar. That's why here we put 0 bar. Similarly, this 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 4, 6, but 6 bar equal to 0 bar. Similarly, 2 bar plus 5 bar, 2 bar plus 5 bar equal to 7 bar, which is congruent to 1 modulo 6. Remainder is 1. Here we put remainder, means 7 bar is congruent to 1 bar. Similarly, 3 bar plus 0 bar, 3 bar, 3 bar plus 1 bar, 4 bar, 3 bar plus 2 bar, 5 bar, 3 bar plus 3 bar, 6 bar, 6 bar is congruent to 0 under modulo 6. 3 bar plus 4 bar, 7 bar, which is equal to 1 bar. Similarly, 3 bar plus 5 bar, 8 bar, and 8 bar is congruent to 2 modulo 6. 8 bar is congruent to 2 modulo 6. How it is? Here we get remainder 2. 2 bar means 8 bar equal to 2 bar. Similarly, for this, here we get 6, 0 bar, 4 plus 3, 7, under module 6, 1 bar, 4 plus 4, 8, we get 2 bar, 4 plus 5, 9, 3 bar. Now, this is the addition table in Z6. Similarly, multiplication table under modulo 6. Zero bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar, 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar. 0 into something 0. Here 0 into something 0. 1 into 0, 2 into 0, 3 into 0, 4 into 0, 5 into 0. 1 into something means that number. 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar. 1 into 5 bar, 5 bar. 2 into 1 bar, 2 bar. 2 into 2, 4 bar, 2 into 3 6 bar, but under modulo 6 bar equal to 0 bar. 2 into 4 8 bar, under modulo 6 we get 2 bar. 2 into 5 bar 10 bar, under modulo 6 we get remainder 4 bar. Next 3 into 1 bar 3 bar, 3 into 2 bar 6 bar, under modulo 6 remainder 0. 3 into 3 9 bar, under modulo 6 we get remainder 3 bar. 3 into 4 12 bar means 0 bar, we get remainder 0 when we divided 12 divided by 6. 3 into 5 15, we get 3 bar. Similarly for 4 and 5 bar, this is the multiplication table in Z6. Now for this addition table, we observe that addition is commutative because 1 bar plus 2 bar 3 bar and 2 bar plus 1 bar 3 bar means these are two equals. That's why addition is commutative in Z6. Similarly, addition is associative in Z6. Also, here we observe that 0 bar is the additive identity in Z6 because 0 bar plus something equal to that number. Also, here 0 bar, here 0 bar, here 0 bar, 0 bar, 0 bar, 0 bar means this the identity 0 bar plus 0 bar, 0 bar, 1 bar plus 5 bar, 0 bar means 1 is the additive inverse of 5. Similarly for 2, 3, 4, 5. For addition table, we observe the following from the composition table for addition. First, a bar plus b bar equal to b bar plus a bar. For all a bar b bar belongs to Z6. That is, addition is commutative in Z6. Second, a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar. For all a bar b bar c bar belongs to Z6. Addition is associative in Z6. Next, there is 0 bar belongs to Z6 such that x bar plus 0 bar equal to 0 bar plus x bar equal to x bar for all x belongs to Z6. Therefore, 0 bar is the identity element. Next, here we observe that 0 bar plus 0 bar equal to 0 bar. 1 bar plus 5 bar equal to 0 bar. 2 bar plus 4 bar equal to 0 bar. 3 bar plus 3 bar equal to 0 bar. 4 bar plus 2 bar equal to 0 bar. 5 bar plus 1 bar equal to 0 bar means every element has the inverse with respect to addition modulo 6. Every element has the inverse with respect to addition modulo 6. Now from first, second, third, fourth, we see that third and fourth, we see that Z6 forms an abelian group. Z6 forms an abelian group with respect to addition modulo 6, with respect to addition modulo 6. Now we prove a general result for Zn. We prove a general result for Zn. This set Zn, n belongs to natural number. Take binary operation is addition. Therefore, here addition is binary operation in Zn. That's why here we are not proving the first condition, binary operation. Now check associativity. For all A bar, B bar, C bar in Zn, we have A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar is nothing but the B plus C whole bar. A bar plus B plus C bar is nothing but the A plus B plus C whole bar, which is equal to A plus B whole bar plus C bar. Since addition is associative in Z, because these numbers are nothing but the integers, which is equal to A plus B whole bar means A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Here we get A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Therefore, addition is associative in Zn. Next, identity. There is 0 bar in Zn such that A bar plus 0 bar equal to 0 bar plus A bar, which is equal to A bar for all A bar belongs to Zn. So 0 bar is the identity element. Next, inverse. For A bar belongs to Zn, there is n minus a whole bar belongs to Zn such that a bar plus n minus a whole bar, which is equal to a plus n minus a whole bar. A plus minus a get cancel, we get n bar, but n bar under modulo n we get n bar equal to 0 bar, because when n divided by n we get remainder 0, n bar equal to 0 bar. Therefore n minus a whole bar is the inverse of a bar, is the inverse of a bar. Therefore from associativity, identity and inverse we get Zn is a group. Now we check commutativity. For all a bar b bar in Zn, we have a bar plus b bar equal to a plus b whole bar. A plus b can be written as b plus a whole bar, which is equal to b bar plus a bar. Means here we get a bar plus b bar equal to b bar plus a bar. Therefore from first, second, third and fourth, first, second, third and fourth, we get Zn. N belongs to natural number, forms an abelian group, with respect to addition modulo n. Now in composition table of Z6 under multiplication, we observe that 1 is the multiplicative identity of Z6, because 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2 up to 1 into 5, 5. Also it is commutative, associative, identities exist, but what about inverse? In first row we cannot see the 1, but here 1 bar, here also 1 bar is not there. Similarly in the last row 1 bar is here. Therefore multiplicative inverse for all elements does not exist in Z6 under multiplication. Therefore here we can see that note that multiplication on Zn, is also commutative, and associative. Also 1 bar is the identity element with respect to multiplication, but the inverse for each element may not exist. For example, In Z6, 2 bar, 3 bar and 4 bar do not have multiplicative inverse. Do not have multiplicative inverse. The condition for the existence of multiplicative inverse we will see in the next result. Next theorem means this is nothing but the result. Theorem: an element A belongs to Zn has multiplicative inverse modulo n if and only if A and n are relatively prime The condition of relatively prime is nothing but the GCD of n equal to 1. Proof: suppose that A has multiplicative inverse, x. So we get A into x is congruent to 1 modulo n. A into x is congruent to 1 modulo n. Means under modulo n, A into x equal to 1. A into x equal to 1 under modulo n means A is the multiplicative inverse of x. A into x is congruent to 1 modulo n. By definition of congruence we get n divides A into x minus 1. N divides A into x minus 1 means there exists an integer k such that A into x minus 1 equal to n into k. A into x minus nk equal to 1 means A into x plus minus k into n equal to 1, which implies by the result of GCD we get GCD of an equal to 1 means A and n are relatively prime. Conversely, suppose A and n are relatively prime means there exists an integers x and y such that A into x and A into x plus n into y equal to 1. Arrange these terms. A into x minus 1 equal to n into y. We get n divides A into x minus y, where y is the integers, which implies by the definition of congruence we get A into x is congruent to 1 modulo n means A into x equal to 1. Therefore, we get x is the multiplicative inverse of A. Here we stop.